the differences between your understanding or someone understanding of what Fa'afafine means and
Yeah.
is compared to the conventional understanding of transgenderism in the West.
Yeah. So I think that's a lot of advocacies and a lot of people outside of the Pacific region or Pacific knowledge tend to equate Fa'afafine to trans women, and a lot of times Western cultures try to equate things or identities to things that they understand to make it easier for them to understand who we are. But Fa'afafine is not the same as trans woman, not only in social perception, but also in the identity itself. Fa'afafine, like I mentioned, is a spectrum because the meaning of Fa'afafine is in the manner of a woman, and this might